Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be reviewing a synthetic wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. We got another wig from U&A. This is how the wig looks fresh out of the box. Pre-plucked synthetic wig. This color is chocolate brown. The cap construction is a 9x7. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, with an elastic band to wear glueless. Here's how it looks. It's giving scalp.
I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you below me. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Love, I've seen that way, believe I do with the word I've seen her. Yeah, nobody will give you over. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the boy that they bar? That's how they move the shit out. And then I really put you too far. Midnight was not shit out.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm with the sun, hold you for a night. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment hold you for a night. So tight, coming closer.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm fucking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
Energy on me, baby, can you make